choke to clear out. We'll take the diaphragm. If you have a Dodge Ram key fob and you need to replace the battery, first thing you're going to need is you just need a quarter or a screwdriver. And you're going to see you have this little slide right here. We're going to slide that forward. And that's going to, so as we push that forward, we can pull up on our key and our emergency key will come out. From there, we're going to turn our fob up, and this bottom portion is where our key was. And you can stick a quarter or you can stick a screwdriver in there. And so right in the center area, you're just going to stick your coin in that slot right there. And you're just going to twist. And that's going to come apart. And we're going to be able to remove the cover. Then we have this plate right here. Just going to pull up on that. And it will come up as well. You're going to have your remote and here's where all of your control board is. And we'll slide our battery out. This is a CR2032. You can buy these online on Amazon for just a couple bucks. And to replace, you take a new battery. I'm going to make sure that plus side is facing up. Get it under those tabs, and you're just going to slide it in. Once you have that secure, then you're going to come back here. You're going to put your control pad back on, put it in place. Next, we're going to take our button cover, push that back into place, and we'll finish that with the cover here. And we're going to make sure that that clicks into place, go all the way around, make sure that's snapped in. Slide our emergency key back in, and then we would check our vehicle, hit the unlock and the lock. Hopefully that helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.